Alright guys, we got the 2013 Forest River Surveyor 220. It's the 10th anniversary edition. Up front, like I said, it's got the two 30-pound tanks, which is super nice with this. Get you a new battery. Let me show you the tires. Brand new tires. Nice rims on there as well. Alright, there's your furnace and water heater. Nice automatic awning as well. Spare tire in the back, as well as an outdoor shower for the kids or dogs, or you guys. Back here, nice feature on this thing. This is already has slide toppers installed. So that just goes above your slide. That's going to keep these things lasting long. It's going to keep sticks, debris, everything off of there. So that's usually about $1,000 charge. That's already on there for you guys. Ain't got to worry about it. Here you got your through storage all the way through to the other side. You got a light over there as well. Okay, as far as under it, it's all sealed off. Looks super sharp under there. Everything looks super clean under there. Let's go inside. Got your screen door. Nice window on the door as well. Got your door hook. Okay, here we got your automatic awning. Awning's still in great shape. Okay. Inside. Okay, you got your lights. Your slide is automatic as well. Here's your U-shaped dinette as well as a bed. Alright, back here we got your bathroom. Nice bathroom. Sink, dry bath, and take your showers. Medicine cabinet, storage underneath, storage over here. I'm Joe. Here's your fridge, freezer, big old freezer as well, and that's run off of power and gas as well. It'll switch, which is super nice, especially if you guys are out there in Seattle, Washington. Here's your, got your oven, 3-burner stove, microwave with a fan on here. Okay, light and fan. Here's a nice feature. You got your coffee brewer. Nice for me anyways. Sink, big old sink as well. It's your entertainment center. It's your surround sound. That'll go to outside speakers as well as inside. You got speakers there. Here's your master with the privacy if you want to shut it off. Master bedroom. Plenty of storage. Storage underneath as well. It's the hydraulics, so it'll sit up. Push it back down. Okay, same thing on the other side. Got your controllers ready to go. Alrighty guys, let me give you a quick, let me see if I can get up on the roof real quick. Everything looks real strong up here. Nice seals. And they will check this too when we do our inspection on it. They're going to do a 120-point inspection on this unit. If you guys were to purchase it, they're going to make sure everything's working. Refrigerator, all your electronics, AC, everything. If you guys have any questions, let me know.